Hey guys, welcome back to Beeskitchen. I'm hoping you're all doing well. Thank you for joining me, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, we all know that summer is here, which means one thing: it is barbecue season, and you cannot have barbecue without some delicious coleslaw. This coleslaw recipe is very simple to make, and guys, if I tell you it is delicious, it is very delicious. So stay with me and let's get started. So for my vegetables, I will be using white cabbage, red cabbage and carrots. Now some people tend to add more stuff to their coleslaw, but I'm keeping mine very simple. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and slice my red cabbage into two. Then next I'm going to go ahead and remove the core, which is the inside of the cabbage, and I'm just going to ensure that that is completely removed. Next, using my sharp knife, I'm going to ensure that I thinly shred this cabbage very nicely. Also guys, if you have a cabbage shredder and you know that that will make your process of shredding a cabbage quicker, please go ahead and use your cabbage shredder. Next, once I have finished slicing my red cabbage, I'm going to go ahead and place the red cabbage in a bowl. So as you can see, this is all done. So I'm now going to go ahead and place this in a bowl. Next, I'm going to go ahead and also do the same thing with the white cabbage by slicing it into two, removing the core, and then using my sharp knife, just shredding the white cabbage as well. Now that I have finished shredding my white cabbage, I'm going to go ahead and place the white cabbage in the same bowl which I have my red cabbage. Next, using a grater, I'm going to go ahead and grate my carrots. Once I finish grating my carrots, I'm going ahead and placing the carrots in the same bowl which I have the red and white cabbage, and I'll set this aside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing. So to a bowl, I'm going to add about 8 to 9 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is because I do like my coleslaw very creamy. However, if you don't like creamy coleslaw, then please go ahead and adjust the mayonnaise according to your preference. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, and vinegar just adds nice acidity to food, so which I really like. If you don't like vinegar, please remove vinegar from this recipe. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and then I'll go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. Because I added vinegar to my dressing, I'm going to balance out the acidity just a little bit by adding a little bit of sugar. If you don't want sugar in this recipe, please feel free to omit it. Next, I'm mixing everything together well to ensure the dressing is well combined, and I'm just going to set this aside for later use. Now I realized that the bowl which I have my carrot and my cabbage in is too small to mix everything together. So all I'm doing is I'm just transferring the shredded carrot and cabbage into a different bowl which is big enough to mix everything together. So at this point, I'm just going to toss everything together to ensure that it is well combined. And as you can see, everything is well combined. So now I'm going to add half of my dressing, and then I will go ahead and gently mix everything together. Okay, at this point, the first half of the dressing has mixed well, so I'm now going to go ahead and add the rest of the dressing, and then I'll continue to mix everything together well. and as simple as ABC. You have yourself the most creamiest, richest, delicious homemade coleslaw. Take this to a family barbecue or just make it at home, and I'm telling you, everyone's going to ask you for the recipe. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment below. I also enjoyed my coleslaw with some toasted flatbread and some grilled chicken, which I have the recipe on this channel, so click on that link which just popped up. As you know, I love my spicy food, so I added a little bit of jalapeno and I just enjoy this coleslaw. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.